Today, in this hour, we discuss about water pollution and causes of water pollution. Objectives. On completion of this period, you will be able to know what is water pollution, what are the causes of water pollution. Water pollution. The presence of unwanted substance in water bodies which affects physical, chemical and biological properties of water, and there may decreases of uses of water in domestic purpose and in industrial is called water pollution. The presence of unwanted substance in water bodies which affect physical, chemical and biological properties of water is called water pollution. It is affected living and non-living things is called water pollution. Water pollution occurs when energy and other materials are released into the water, contaminating the quality of its for other uses. Water pollution is nothing but it is enter into unwanted substance into water body, contaminating, then the quality of water decreasing process is called water pollution. Types of pollutants: surface water pollution, groundwater pollution. Surface water pollution found on the exterior of the Earth's crust, oceans, rivers, and lakes. Groundwater found in soil or under rocks, structure, or aquifers. Introduction. Water pollution. Water is a precious resource and without it life is not possible on earth. Water is getting polluted day by day due to excessive and careless uses. So the present of available drinking water is reducing. There are many ways which causes water pollution and the effects of it are very harmful for living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Water is getting polluted day by day due to excessive and careless use. So the presence of available drinking water is reducing. There are many ways which causes water pollution and the effects of its very harmful for all living and non-living things. Water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as presence of solid, liquid or gaseous contaminant in such concentration that may alert the quality of water is called water pollution. Water pollution is defined as the addition to water of an excessive material or heat that is harmful to the living organisms or which impairs the beneficial uses of water. Water pollution can be defined as a presence of solid, liquid or gaseous contaminants in such concentration that may alter the quality of water changes is called water pollution. Water pollution is defined as the addition to water of an excess material or heat that is harmful to the living organisms or which impairs the beneficial uses of water. Causes of water pollution. The principal sources of water pollution resulting from exploration and production operations are domestic wastage, sewage system, solid wastage, industrial waste, acid rain, oil industry, aquatic plants. These are main causes of water pollution. One is domestic wastage, sewage system, solid wastage, industrial waste, acid rain, oil industry, aquatic plants. These are causes of water pollution. Domestic waste, sewage waste, solid waste, industrial waste, acid rain, oil industry, aquatic plants. Domestic waste. Dumping of household waste into water. Improper domestic waste. Dumping of household waste into water body causes water pollution. Improper drainage system leads to water pollution due to mixing of sewage with drinking water. Sewage contains decaying organic matter and diseases causing microorganisms. These domestic waste directly enter into water body, it causes water pollution. This sewage contains decaying organic matter and diseases causing microorganisms. These sewage directly enter into water bodies, it causes water pollution. These sewage wastage mainly leads to improper drainage system. This improper drainage system leads to water pollution due to mixing of sewage with drinking water. Sewage contains organic and diseases causing microorganisms. These water directly enter into water bodies, then causes water pollution. Solid wastage. Solid waste causes blockage in flow of water. It causes water as well as air pollution. Polythene is the main solid waste. Polythene is main solid waste of pollution. The water material generated in industries and also waste material of solid particles directly enter into water bodies. It causes water pollution. Industrial wastage. Industrial waste containing paper waste, rubber material, aluminum waste, etc. is drawn directly enter into water which pollutes water bodies. The waste material generated in industries causes water pollution by toxic nature of chemicals, chemical pollution, heating of the water from industries, thermal pollution. These components directly enter into water bodies, it causes water pollution. Industrial wastage containing paper waste, rubber material, aluminum waste, etc. is drawn directly into water which causes water pollution. Acid rain. Industries should releases oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur like sulfur trioxide, nitrogen trioxide enter into atmosphere. These oxides mixed with rainwater to form acids. These acids mixed with rainwater is called acid rain. Acid rain. Clouds with sulfuric acids or nitric acids. These water enter into surface of earth. Acid rain enter into soil. These effects of vegetables and water aquatic life. Oil industry. These oil industry also affected water bodies. Spillage of oil from large ship causes water pollution by preventing oxygen supply to aquatic life. This water polluted with oil, it forms a layer on the surface of water. It does not produce oxygen for aquatic life. Aquatic plants. Water, ancient and aquatic plants causes pollution in water. It is long-lived plants which grow faster in water bodies and absorb all essential nutrients from water, which is which is vital for marine organisms. It is also known as terror of Bengals due to its abundance. Aquatic plants also causes of water pollution. Which of the following river is called the world most polluted river? Ganga River, Chem River, Yamuna River, Kaveri River. These in these four, Ganga River most polluted by industries and also domestic wastage and agriculture wastage, biological pollutants directly enter into water bodies. It causes water pollution. Agriculture particles like uses of fertilizers and industrials insecticides are mixed into water bodies. It causes water pollution. Biological pollutions, bacteria, virus and human wastage releases into water bodies. It is also causes water pollution, then increases water of Ganga river polluted. Which of the following salts is main causes of permanent hardness of water? Magnesium sulfate, magnesium bicarbonate, magnesium carbonate, none of the above. Permanent hardness caused by chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium like calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate. So answer is magnesium sulfate is the answer. Which is the health effects of excessive fluorides in drinking water? Fluorosis, toothache, lung diseases, intentional infection. Fluorosis is the answer. Which of the following is waterborne diseases? Typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, all the above. These four above diseases causes by water pollution, typhoid, cholera, diarrhea. In this topic, frequently asked questions: what is water pollution? What are the causes of the water pollution? Explain about causes of water pollution. What is water pollution? What are the causes of water pollution? Explain about causes of water pollution. These are frequently asked questions. Thank you. Thank you very much once again.